I'm going to show you an RFID barricading system. So basically in this there's a LCD display, a Arduino, a RFID module, a servo motor and some connecting wires for connecting all of them. So basically what is happening, there is one card which is granted access in the room. So this card have the access in the room and other two cards or one card and a tag don't have the access. So if we scan this card, the servo will rotate, which will open the barricading and we can get into the room. But if we scan any other card, access will be denied and servo will not rotate, or you can say barricading will not open. So now let me turn it on so that I can show you. So as you can see, it is started. So as you can see on the LCD display, it is written to scan the RFID card. So it is saying that we have to scan the RFID card now. So now I will scan the RFID card and this card have the access. So when I scan this card, the servo will rotate and access granted will be visible on the LCD display. So as you see, the servo rotated and on the LCD it is written access granted. So it is written access granted and servo did rotate. Now it's again asking for a RFID card to scan. So this time let's scan the card which does not have any access. So it is written access denied, and as you can see the servo didn't rotate it at all. The same with the tag, this also doesn't have access. So whenever I scan it, it says access denied. But when I scan the card which do have access, it says access granted and rotates the servo. So that's the automatic barricading system.